Today we will do worksheet 22 made by Directorate of Education JNCT of Delhi for date 16/12/2020. Subject Science, Class 8 English Medium, name of student right here, name of teacher here. Today's topic is light. In the topic light, we will read, study, understand multiple images. Reflected light rays can be reflected again if incident on another mirror. Reflected light can be reflected again. Recall the last time you visited a hairdresser. She oblique he makes you sit in front of a mirror. After your haircut is completed, she or he holds a mirror behind you to show you how the hair has been cut, and you could see the hair at back of your head. The reflected light rays can be reflected again if incident on another mirror and form multiple images. The number of images found will depend on the angle between the mirror. You have learned about the periscope in class 6. Periscope. What is periscope? Periscope is a device that works on multiple reflection. The periscope makes use of two plane mirror at an angle. Periscopes are used in submarines, tank, and also by soldiers in bunkers to see things outside which are not in direct range of the view. Now, what is kaleidoscope? What is kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope works on multiple images formed due to multiple reflection. How can you make your own kaleidoscope? Let us see how can we make. First of all, required material: 3 rectangular plane mirror strip of equal size, 3 rectangular plane mirror strip of equal size, and 2 triangular glass pieces, card sheet and cello tape. Now start. First you have to do, take 3 rectangular plane mirror strip and join these as shown in figure. Slip the rubber band on the triangular tube. Fix this triangular tube in a cylindrical tube. Okay, this is cylindrical tube, and fix this triangular prism into this cylindrical tube. Take 2 triangular glass plate and cover one glass plate with tracing paper. ट्रेसिंग पेपर से क्या करना है, उसको कवर करना है. Fourth one is, place one of the triangular glass plate at one end of the tube such that it is a little inside the tube. Now place some multicolored bangles pieces over it. इसमें multicolor bangle pieces भी डालने हैं. Now sixth point, cover this end of tube with another triangular glass plate covered with it tracing paper, and cover the other end of tube with a piece of card sheet and make a hole in center so that the inside view can be seen through this hole. Seventh point, the kaleidoscope is ready. Peep through the hole directing the other end of the tube toward light. In this way you can make your own kaleidoscope. Now check yourself. Your first question is, what is periscope and where it is used? The answer of this question in this worksheet here, periscope. What is periscope? So periscope is a device that work on the multiple reflection. The answer of first question, first part है ना. Uses of periscope. Periscope are used in submarines, tanks, also be by the soldiers in bunkers to see things outside which are not in direct range of view. So this is the answer of complete answer of first question. Now second question, how can you see your trimmed hair of your bag when you go to the hairdresser? The answer of this question is here. With the help of mirror, we can see our trimmed hair of the bag when you go to hairdresser. Now third question, describe the construction of kaleidoscope. तो इसका आंसर है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये रहा आपका आंसर। यहाँ से रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल से लेकर, ठीक है, और यहाँ तक आप इसका आंसर लिखना। ये आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। ऊपर लिख देना कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कैलिडोस्कोप, ठीक है, कैलिडियोस्कोप, ठीक है, लिखकर और ये अंडरलाइन करके फिर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल, ठीक है, और फिर उसके बाद पॉइंट्स उसके कैसे कैसे बनता है, ठीक है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी images of a candle will be formed if it is placed between two parallel mirrors separated by 40 cm distance? The answer is infinite images is formed. Let us see the picture. देखो प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ पे प्लेन मिरर जो है ना पैरेलल रखी हुई हैं और बीच में कैंडल है 40 सेंटीमीटर की डिस्टेंस पे, इसके इनफाइनाइट इमेज यहाँ बन रहे हैं। देन डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे वर्कशीट 22 क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट साइंस इंग्लिश मीडियम हैज़ बीन completed. Thank you for watching this video.